Every executive today is under the same pressure. The board wants an AI strategy. Competitors are announcing AI-powered everything. And somewhere inside the organization, an AI initiative is quietly slipping behind schedule. A recent audit of 40 AI initiatives across different industries revealed something unexpected. The problem wasn't bad AI. The problem was good AI deployed the wrong way. 36 of those initiatives had technology that actually worked. The models functioned. The automations executed. The dashboards looked impressive, but almost none of them produced meaningful business value. Teams automated internal reports nobody reviewed. They built chatbots for support teams even though support was never the bottleneck. Others spent months on data readiness with no business outcome attached. The pattern was clear. Leadership approved AI because AI felt urgent, not because a specific business problem demanded a solution. Somewhere between the strategy presentation and implementation, the original business case disappeared. That is not a technology problem. It is a sequencing problem. The 4 initiatives that succeeded did one thing differently. They never started with "where can we use AI?" They started with "where is money leaking out of this business today?" One example stands out. A home services company was losing 22% of qualified inbound leads. Sales representatives were responding too slowly. These were good leads. They just went cold before someone contacted them. The solution wasn't an AI assistant with a clever name. It was one single AI agent that triaged every lead, qualified prospects, triggered follow-up automatically, and reduced response time from 26 hours to under 4 minutes. 90 days later, inbound close rates increased by 31%. That is not a productivity metric. That is revenue. The implementation cost was under $40,000. It paid for itself within 6 weeks. That is the difference between an AI project and an AI investment. The first question should never be, "What can AI do?" The first question should always be, "What is this specific problem costing us every month?" Only then do you work backward to find the smallest AI system that can fix it. It sounds obvious. It almost never happens. Most organizations are stuck between experimenting and piloting. Interesting technology, little business impact. The ones that succeed reach scaling within 90 days because every initiative is designed around a revenue objective from day one. Here is one exercise every executive should do this week. Identify the single most expensive manual process inside your business, not the most interesting, the most expensive. Calculate what it costs every month. Lost revenue, wasted hours, missed follow-ups, delayed responses, operational inefficiencies. Then ask one question. If we automate this process, will that number improve within 90 days? If the answer is no, it should not be your AI priority, no matter how impressive it sounds in a strategy meeting. That one decision would have saved the companies in the audit a combined 7 figures in wasted implementation costs. Automate, delegate, scale. That sequence matters. Most organizations try to scale first, and that is exactly where they go wrong.